4:30 in the morning and this is the first time you ever pulled yourself up in your crib. I could see you sitting over here, so I came and turned on your little toy. You can watch it because you're wide awake. Yeah, she's wide awake. She's not gonna go to sleep right now. In 8 months and a week. It's February 22nd, 2008. And let's see. Yep, 4:30 in the morning. 4:35 actually. Yeah, now you're happy in the middle of the night, huh? Yeah.